Oh, oh, dang. Hello, everybody. I got a texture pack so the pickaxe and tools look like this. I feel like it looks kind of nice. Oh, and the crossbow's now 3D. I think it's also the same for the bows. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it adds like a nice little good old glint to it, but you're probably wondering what am I going to be doing today? Why am I grabbing all this stuff? Good question, actually. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Basically, something really important. I'm gonna do that. I am gonna be making um a room into the warped. Oh yeah, I forgot. Just make another. Okay, so let's do stupid to dash, and then we'll go boop bop bam bop. Cause this area. Boop. Okay, so okay. Is that two? Yeah, that's the thickness. So for now, it's mainly just gonna be kind of just stone for a little until I'm able to get more stone bricks. Uh, but once I do, we're gonna be able to. Do, do, do. We just needed to be one more block gone, and then it should be all ready. Cause I want to have like different levels. Cause I mean, you gotta get better at your yeah accuracy. Yeah. Or actually, maybe I'm for now just do. Then you have a really good idea if you just do. Got you. Okay. Wait, what happened to my other banner? Okay, there. Let's do that and that. Royal shield is good. Get my... Let's do a bit of boop, bop, bam, bop, bop, boom, bop, bam. Okay. There we go. Because we need to make some... What? Okay, I was wondering where my wood went. Because that's my wood. Why? Why you little... And then we just have to put... Okay, so let's just do a bit of this. Bop. 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 Alright. What's a good name for a crossbow? I know I've been checking that. Crossbow. The Silent Reaper. I like the Silent Reaper. I feel like that's just ideal. Boop. And then let's do a bit of... The Silent Reaper, baby. Let's go. Okay. Next is boop. And then we just do that and that. Wait, hold on. I have an idea. Since it does have piercing, so it goes through 2 of them. And then I lose that arrow, I guess. It's filled out. Now what's left is to do bop, bop, bop. Since I have so much armor, I could possibly do like different armor levels. Oh wait, no, it's right there. Cause I feel like the crossbow is good for stealth, so I like the silent reaper. Ugh. Oh, we're gonna need to be cooking a lot more cobblestone, aren't we? Okay, that's 22. Hold on. Boop. And then boop bop, bop. And then let's just take that. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the boots, then pants and the boots. Okay, so we'll just see. Last level is this. Someone just joined my Discord? Nobody's in there. Um. Huh, maybe I'm just tripping. So I need to make this white pants. Okay, I missed. Okay, one shot's that. Ooh. Okay, one shot's that. Okay, one shot's that. One shot's that. Dang. Just realized how hard that is to, you know, do a good old reset on. Boop. Alright, that'll have to do for now, I guess. Looks alright. Uh, Okay, what's a block that I have a lot of? Okay, bet that. Today is the day that we find. Seems to be the wrong area. Okay. Which one's the one that I usually go to? Was it this one? Okay. Guess we just need to find a good spot. Okay, I need to find 4. Okay. I just found some netherite. I got enough. Just in case a piglin doesn't fall in. Oh yay! Yeah, I found it pretty close, which is honestly surprising. But you know what that means? Oh fuck! I remember now. I need some gold. Okay, we made it home. Country roads, take me home. Mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. How much gold do I have? Cool. Oh, that's nice. Okay, yeah, that's real good, guys. Yeah. Sendan! Sendan! Okay, I guess, okay, now we gotta do some more exploring. Gonna be a long episode, I guess. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. He's gotta be that Sigma when you're the Rizzler. Well, I don't think anybody says that anymore. That was painful for you to watch, was it? Ooh, misfortune. Let's do this. Oh. Come on out. Gold, gold. I need you. Yeah. How about let's explore somewhere? Oh, shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that was terrible. No! You made me break my torch, you stupid piece of shit! Gotta be some gold around here somewhere. Ooh, yeah! That's what I needed. I just need 4 for now. Da da da. Boop. That the day's never finished. Master got me working. Someday master set me free. Yeah. They're sitting here in the mines, waiting for somebody. Yeah. Da da da. I'm trapped in the mines, looking for my way out. Just kidding, yeah. Please, I'm down in the mines, searching for bits of gold to make me rich, yeah. Gonna get a pickaxe, it's a dickaxe. Should've called it that, yeah. It's a better name than the misfortune, yeah. Da 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 da. Bow, 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 no, 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 no. Oh, hail the king, he's the best. He's the strongest of the all. He's so Sigma and he is like a Rizzler. Alright, we got netherite scraps. Ba da 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 da. How do I make a smithing template? How to make a smithing template in Minecraft. Well, how do I do that? They cannot be crafted from scratch. You must first find a template in structured chests as bash and remnants for netherite upgrade. Ah, shit. I gotta do that? Did all of that for nothing, huh? Did so much for that shit. I guess the last thing I'm gonna be doing is just enchanting this, so. Projectile protection, duh. Projectile. Royal Protector of my my Mm. I took that much to just make the dick one. Um, this one was probably kind of boring for y'all, but hope you guys enjoyed this, and see y'all in the next one. But whatever time's on your morning, afternoon, or night. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and bye bye.